So here's the trail I showed you last time. There's a video on it. I did it for like 12 minutes. This is the most difficult trail we have here. It even says most difficult over there. I've been practicing a little bit. I think I got a little faster. Let's see how it goes today. So I tried to change few things. I'm now in a second gear instead of first most of the time. Sometimes it's better to be in first. I guess I'll bump start here. And I try to go a little more on the gas. Let's see. Switch back. Whoa! All right. So today I'm not gonna make a better time than last time, that's for sure. Oh, that was nice. It's all good though. I guess I was trying too hard. But this is why it's good to have protection. I have full armor on me. I don't have one scratch on me after this fall. And I fell on rocks. So if I don't have anything, I'll have a few bruises for sure. I don't know, I don't feel it today. Something's wrong. Alright guys, bad news. I fell down right here on this waterfall, whatever it is, right on that rock, and unfortunately I broke off my cylinder. There is a thing that holds your pipe inside, so it broke off like that. Oh my goodness. So now my bike sounds really weird. Well, I don't know if I will be able to fix this or any new cylinder. Anyhow, I'm okay. Bike is kinda okay. So I think that's enough for today. It was fun though. You know, things like that happen. I'm gonna learn something new again. And don't forget guys, whatever you do, stay motivated. See you later.